Oh, our fire suppression system, everything is tagged. All these are, I kept this truck really clean, as you can see. Pretty anal, so. And then there's another mini split on the wall that works just fine. But this thing is a beast. This thing will cool this place down, no problem, real easy. So, but here in Arizona, it was much needed for 3, so we got 3. This is the breaker switch. Just hit all these things to turn off. All these breakers work, obviously, but one by one, hit them, and it's gonna turn basically the whole truck off. I left the lights on so that I'm not in here in the dark, but yeah, more storage up here. More storage up here. And yeah, that's it. That's what we got. This baby is ready to go.